Did you catch you a crappie, Stoodles?
Yes, I did.
It's a very nice fish. Shmoodles, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
Nice. Oh. Dave, did you catch you another crappie, Spoodle?
Yes, I did.
It's a pretty nice fish, but it ain't a very nice fish like last time. He's a very good buddy. He's a good boy.
I'm gonna pet it.
He is. Pet it.
Boy.
Spank it. Spank it, Dave.
That's it, man. Hurry up.
He likes it. Yeah.
Look at him. He's posing.
He's pooping.
Man.
Hey, Dave.
Yes.
Did you finally catch me some bait? Yes.
Finally.
Yes, I need my bait, man. That's some
Yes, I
good
did.
looking bait.
It's
Lift that thing up and show everybody. Stick that thing out here. Oh, yeah. That's a nice fish, buddy.
He's pooping.
All right, yeah, that's what we talking about right here, out here on the Shmoodles pond, fishing with Doodles. Yes, he's a good Doodles, and
He might poop
and,
on
and
you.
like, good looking fish, man. Hold that thing up. All right, yeah, pretty. That's a fat fish, nice fish, Dave. And we caught her earlier, but we're gonna have to throw that back.
Alright, set him loose.